Hello guys, so today I will be showing you how to connect these granny squares, okay, using a slip stitch. Okay, so to start with this in the corner, okay, so you can see my first chain here. Okay, I inserted my yarn. Okay, so going this way, so we hold that inside, and then in the other side, okay, with the first chain as well, with the first chain we are going to insert. Okay, so line that up. Okay, insert. Okay, and then when we do have that, okay, and then yarn over and then slip stitch. So you just have to wiggle it to get it through. Okay, so and then this is the zigzag. Okay, so zigzag, so we started from the right. Okay, now we're going to the left. Okay, and just slip stitch. Then now we're going to the right. Okay, slip stitch. Okay, and left, slip stitch, and then right. Okay, so just make sure that you didn't you're not going to the same spot. Okay, and then slip stitch. Okay, and to the other side. Okay, you just have to wiggle around a little bit. Okay, so what we're doing is one slip stitch. Okay, one slip stitch into the right side and one slip stitch into the left side. Okay, this will be needing a little bit of patience while doing this. Okay, but have a go. You need a little bit of practice for this, and before you get it, like easy. Okay, and the first try, okay, you're struggling a little bit. Okay, but as soon as you get it right and you know how to do it, so sometimes I have to pull this so I can insert my crochet hook. Okay, and sometimes still not going through. Okay, so okay, so you just have to continue that. You just have to, sometimes you just have to help, okay, get it through. Okay, this really needs like patience, calm, and everything. Okay, just take your time, take it easy, take your time. Okay, and you will get there. Okay, so with that, as you can see, that's a zigzag. Okay, so that's cute. Okay, so even you're using two colors, okay, you're using two colors, but because of this it blended, so it's not really noticeable. Okay, so you just have to continue. Just make sure that, okay, you go to right, and then after right, left. Okay, if you had a mistake, okay, and then you just have to undo it and do it again. Okay, so one in the right, one in the left. Okay, and then go back to the right and then left. Okay, and then just pull it a little bit to get it tight. Okay, and just continue that until you finish to the end. As I said, just take your time. Okay, take your time, need patience. Okay, but you know, everything just needs some practice. Okay, because when we started doing the crochet, okay, we're not perfect. Okay, we can't do it, but because we learn, okay, and practice, and now we can create so much things. Okay, so just continue that. Okay, until you finish to the end. So that is our zigzag. Okay, so zigzag, and it's really cute. Even as I said, even you're using um, different color, okay, it blended. Okay, so even you do, if you put white here and you use white or red, it doesn't matter. Okay, because it will blend to the other color. Okay, so if I use red here, it will blend with the red anyway. Okay, so because I use white, so it blended with the white. Okay, so I hope I made this very easy. And if you have any questions, as I said, you know, it just need a little bit of practice. Okay, so one to the left, one to the right, and then left, right, slip stitch. Okay, so it's just slip stitch. So like this one, we finish into the left, and then now we're going to the right. Okay, so you have to insert from the top. Okay, then go back, and then insert and pull up your your loops or your yarn. Okay, and then go to the other side. Okay, so one in the other side and one in the other side. Okay, so one on the left and one on the right. Okay, so with this one it's a little bit tight, so I'm just going to, okay, as you can see, I'm pulling the yarn. Okay, so I don't have that. Okay, okay, so you just have to tighten it up a little bit so you can get that, you know, nice finish. Okay, so tighten that a little bit and then go to the right. Okay, and then just slip stitch. Okay, so you're going to work from the top. Okay, inserting your hooks from the top and then pulling it down. Okay, and then doing a slip stitch. Okay, going back up. Okay, pull that a little bit. Okay, tighten it up, and then in the other side, and then pull up. Okay, and then that is the result of our zigzag slip stitch. Okay, connecting granny squares. Okay, so if you're doing this, so you have to do all of this here, and then if you have here as well, you have to do the same thing. Okay, so start in one corner and then just continue going here. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and hopefully this helps you connect your granny squares. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and share my video. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time I do upload a new video. Okay, thank you very much guys. Thanks for watching, and thank you for anyone that subscribes to my channel. I'm very happy, and hopefully you can get ideas from all the videos that I have uploaded. Thank you very much guys, and see you in next video. Bye.